Mardi Gras is more than a celebration. It's a culture, a rhythm, a citywide heartbeat that echoes through the streets of New Orleans. I wanted to honor that spirit in a way that felt real to me, through sneakers. I designed and hand-built a Jordan 1 inspired by Mardi Gras. The colors, the textures, the craftsmanship, it all tells a story. It started at the leather store, digging for materials that felt like New Orleans. Once I gathered all my materials, I got to it. Tracing and cutting patterns, prepping every piece by hand, no shortcuts, just craftsmanship. Bit by bit, it all came together, starting with raw pieces, then suddenly, you're looking at a finished upper, built with purpose. This project is more than just a custom. It's a proof of concept, a case study for what could be. My goal is to turn this into a real collaboration with Jordan brand for Mardi Gras 2027. If you're tapped in and can help push this forward, whether through connections, support, or simply sharing a vision, I'd appreciate it. Let's make this happen. In my next video, I'll be adding a soul and bringing it all to life. Stay tuned.